Hey folks, this is Kevin here, part of Kaboom Realty with my wife Carol. Today I'm going to do a little short video and shatter some of the misconceptions about VA loan types. The VA does allow you to have more than one VA loan, and yes, they can both be in the same city. The VA also allows loan amounts. You can take a loan for a VA house up to $453,100. However, you can go over that $453,000, but there is a small part of a down payment if you go over that max limit. VA loans take typically about 30 days to close. The VA requires you and your spouse to occupy that home within 60 days of closing. You can be stationed overseas and still be considered a primary residence if your spouse is living in that house. To be eligible for a VA loan, you need to be on active duty for 90 days. The VA has no down payment required. However, there is what they call a VA funding fee, and you still may have to pay closing costs, taxes, and insurance. There is a lot of people that think VA loans, I don't need any money, but you are going to need some money up front as well. You're going to need your earnest money, which is usually about 1% of the sales price. That's negotiable with the seller, and you're also going to need money for your inspections up front during that option period. That's usually around $450. VA requires that you have a WDI, a wood-destroying insect report, done as well. That can be done usually in conjunction with your home inspection for an additional $75. The VA doesn't have any monthly mortgage insurance costs, which saves you about $177 a month on a $250,000 loan. That funding fee that I mentioned, if it's the first time you're ever using your certificate of eligibility, it's a 2.15% of the sales price. If you're using it for your second time or after that, it's 3.3 every time you use it. Now, if you're a disabled vet and your disability is at least 10%, that VA funding fee is waived. The VA is also very flexible when it comes to debt to income ratios, so just keep that in mind. Just don't run out or buy anything big as you're going through the loan processes. Most VA lenders are looking for about a 580 FICO score, but that's not necessarily in stone. Lower can be possible, but obviously the higher your credit score, the better rate that you're going to get. Again, this is just a little bit of information about VA loans. If you have any questions, give us a shout on Facebook or shoot us an email at kaboomrealty@gmail.com. Again, this is the Boom part of Kaboom signing off, saying thank you very much for your time. Good luck with house shopping.